Hi, this is Leah from Imagine DIY, and I've got a really chic but really easy invitation to show you today. I'm almost embarrassed to put a video together of this one because it's so easy, but I just wanted to show you don't have to be a crafting genius to achieve really beautiful results. So we've just used a silver glitter laser cut. We've added some pearl details and a bit of ribbon, and as you can see, it's really beautiful. So this silver glitter laser cut is available on our website. We have it in a few different colours, in glitter and in a pearlised finish. We've also printed an insert, and if you visit our website, the downloadable templates are available on there, so you literally have to just fill in your information and print. We've added some ribbon, and we've got these self-adhesive pearls. So these are just literally peel and stick. So we're going to start with the insert that we've already printed. We're just going to stick one of these rows of self-adhesive pearls across the top centre and across the bottom. So, this is a bit fiddly, this one, but normally they're not. So we're just going to peel off a row of the self-adhesive pearls and just stick them in the top centre of the invitation. So just press it into place. Before you press it, you've got time to fiddle around and adjust the position slightly. And once you're happy, just press it down. So there, we've done that across the top, and we're just going to repeat the process across the bottom. So just peeling off this row of pearls and pressing it into place at the bottom of the insert. There, so that looks really lovely. We're just going to pop that inside the invitation, and now we can add our ribbon. So I've just done a knot style bow, and we're just taking a length of ribbon. On this video I've used 4 times the width of the invitation, but 3 times will be plenty. We're going to lay the ribbon on a flat surface and bring the ends around to the front centre and tie a knot. There, so I'm just passing the ribbon over and under and then pulling it tight. And if you put your finger in the centre, you can repeat the knot. So you've then got a nice double knot that will hold it nice and sturdy for you. There. So once you've done this, if you just fiddle with the ribbon, just tease it with your fingers a bit till you're happy with the position, and then use a sharp scissors just to cut off the excess ends. There. So I've done that at a slight angle, which is a nice finishing touch, and I'm just adjusting the ribbon. There. And it really is as easy as that. And the more you make, the quicker you'll get. So this is a great invitation to do yourself. So why not visit our website, have a look at our other tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have regular videos coming out. And thank you for watching. Bye.